Hello and welcome. Reviewing set notation is our topic for today. To understand the concept of the set notation, we will be looking at some examples. Let's get started. The first one says solve, list the elements of the set K. Now this is read as the set of all x such that x is an integer that satisfies a given inequality, that is x is greater than or equal to -10 and x is less than or equal to -6. Now that means x will be taking up all the values that lie between -10 and -6. Now we see that in the inequality x is greater than and equal to, so that means 10 negative will be included, and x is less than -6, that means -6 will also be included. So what are the other numbers that lie between -10 and -6 are -9, -8 and -7. So these are all the elements that lie between the given inequality. So that is, it matches with option D. This is the correct answer. To understand this concept more, let's look at another example. Now it says list the elements of the set G, that gives the x is the set of all x, so that x is a letter in the word trigonometry, that is the word trigonometry, and we will list out all the elements. Now let's write down the elements one by one. T, R, I, G, O, N, O, M, E, T, R and Y. So now we listed down separately. Now in the final set that the elements would contain, we'll have only the elements as T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E and Y. Now we see that T is repeated twice. Similarly, the letter O is again repeated and the letter R is also repeated. So in the final answer, we will not have them written twice, just once, that is T as once, R as once and O as once. So let's see with which the option matches. I say let's look at option A. E is here, okay, E is there. G, I, M, N, O, R, T, Y. So that means option A is the correct answer. Let's look at the next question. List the element of the set B. Now B is equal to the set of all x, where x is an integer that satisfies a given inequality, that is x is greater than 7 and less than 15. So that means you have to list out all the numbers that lie between 7 and 15. Now here the inequality says x is greater than 7 and less than 15. That means the equal to sign is not present. So we will not consider 7 and 15 in this answer. So we have rest of the numbers 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This matches to option D. We have to be very careful. Whenever the equal to sign is there with the greater than or the less than sign, we include that particular number, and in this case we did not have the equal to sign over here, so we did not include these two numbers in the final answer. I hope reviewing set notation is clear now. Thank you and bye bye. Have a nice day.